In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use voice dictation in Claude Code. By the end, you'll be comfortably speaking your ideas and having them appear right in your Claude Code session. This is great when your hands are busy, you think faster than you type, or you just want a more natural way to interact. Start by opening your terminal. This is the command line window where you'll run Claude Code. Once it's open, type the word Claude and press Enter. That launches the interactive Claude Code environment. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the Claude prompt waiting for your input. From here, everything happens inside this session, so you don't need to open anything else. Next, enable voice dictation. Inside Claude Code, type add voice and press Enter. The slash indicates a built-in command, and this one turns on dictation for your session. Behind the scenes, Claude Code prepares your microphone and readies the system to listen on demand. Depending on your computer's settings, you may see a system prompt about microphone access. If your operating system doesn't allow mic access, voice dictation won't work, so make sure it's permitted in your normal privacy settings. Now you're ready to speak. Press and hold the space bar on your keyboard and talk at a steady, natural pace. Think of it like a push-to-talk button. While you're holding space, Claude Code listens and transcribes. When you release it, it stops and processes what you said. Keep the mic area quiet, face your computer, and enunciate clearly. If you need punctuation, you can say it out loud or pause naturally and add it later with the keyboard. Both approaches work well. If the transcript isn't quite right, just make quick corrections by typing normally in the same session and continue. A couple of quick tips for the best results. Speak in short, clear chunks rather than long monologues. Give a brief pause before and after holding space so the beginning and end of your sentence aren't clipped. If your voice doesn't appear right away, glance at the terminal to confirm you're still in the Claude session and that voice mode is enabled. And if background noise is an issue, move to a quieter spot or speak a bit closer to your laptop mic. That's all there is to it. Open your terminal, run Claude, enable voice with voice, then press and hold the space bar and speak. With a little practice, you'll find dictation becomes a fast, comfortable way to work inside Claude Code.